Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, climb a stable ladder, put on gloves, and support the curtain with one hand so the fabric won't drop. Once done, probe the clip to learn its action. Is it spring-loaded, snap-on, or a pinch clip? This matters because the removal motion differs. Using the wrong force bends hardware. Make sure to keep tension off the seam. That protects fabric and stitching while you prepare to release the first fastener. You now focus on the middle steps. Depress the spring or lift the snap tab, and at the same time hold the curtain to prevent sudden sagging. If a clip resists, wrap the jaws of pliers with cloth to avoid marking metal or fabric, then apply steady, even pressure. Once the clip loosens, slide it along the track or rail rather than forcing it off. This reduces the chance of bending or breaking adjacent clips. Continue methodically, one clip at a time. You finish by removing the last clip and inspecting every piece for wear. Replace any bent or cracked clips to ensure smooth operation. Once clear, clean the track of dust and debris so new or existing clips slide freely, then reinstall clips in their original order to preserve pleat spacing. If a clip gets stuck, try a little silicone spray or warm the metal with a cloth to loosen grime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.